Hello guys, here we are going to learn about Jhipster, what is Jhipster and why should we use it. So this is the introductory to the Jhipster. Now what is Jhipster? Jhipster is based on Java and is a framework which provide us a skeleton of our project. So as reside in its name Java Jhipster, in backend it supports Spring Boot, and for front end side it provides Angular, Vue and React. So Jhipster is a development platform to quickly generate, develop and deploy our application. It provides us monolithic and microservice both architecture. We can use any of them as per our requirement. It also use Spring Cloud Server as term registry. So it is a discovery client. We will check when we implement a example. So as said about Java, Jhipster supports backend in Spring Boot and for frontend Angular, React and Vue. And now in latest version of Jhipster, it extended its support to other technologies like Node.js, .NET and etc. So they have made expansion. Now Jhipster gives us a basic configuration of our project, so we need not to do like things from scratch to create modules and dependencies. So to create a Jhipster project, these are the commands. We will go through it when we create projects with it and configuration for different type of project like microservice and monolithic architecture. So these are the client side support provided by Jhipster. It supports Angular, React, Vue and WebSocket is used for transferring our messages through socket. So here we will transfer between Angular to Spring Boot over Storm client. And these are the SaaS. SaaS is used for SCSS and other stuffs for test cases. Now on server side options, it uses Spring Boot as a backend and providing Spring security. And there are two build types which are supported, greater than Maven, and the number of databases are supported like MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, etc. And these are the stuff for cache management. Then Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch is used for searching the data. Now Elasticsearch stores their records in indexing, so it provides more efficiency and performance as per the searching from database. It should be used when you have kind of complex data or data structure. The number of records are more, then you will get the difference. And now the Kafka is kind of a message transferring thing, which use message as a topic event, and to communicate we will see it in our example later. So basically it produces a message and one consumes message. Like one service will produce a message to place an order, another service is consuming it, receiving it, and it perform action related to place all the order. So now Swagger is used to expose your APIs directly from your project, so you don't require to use any third party applications like Postman, etc. You can directly request and call your APIs and verify your responses in your project. It providing UI for your Swagger to check your project APIs, and other stuffs are like for test cases. We will use JUnit test cases, JUnit Jupyter. And now the deployment options, most are heard by you like Docker, AWS, Kubernetes and Google Cloud Platform. So we can use any one of them. And then CI/CD approach, the most preferable option is Jenkins for CI/CD. So we will see the integration of Jenkins with SonarQube for our code analysis later. in our next number of videos. And now, why should we use Jhipster? Jhipster is used by these number of companies, and it provides us lot of things like basic data structure for users and roles, and it is etc. We may need to change it as per our requirement, but at least you can get few kind of UI stuff and entities related users and role by default. So your time has been reduced. Like, you, if you start your project from scratch, you need to create lot of modules and dependency management and etc stuff. But with Jhipster, you can save your time and invest in your functionality rather than setup. So that's why the Jhipster is more preferable, because it also support microservice architecture. And